आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In the question here, it says the following table from the US Census Bureau shows the median annual earnings in 1999 of workers with different levels of education. Right? The table is here. Median annual earnings are ages 21 to 64. On the left we have level of education. On the right we have median annual earnings in dollars. So for someone who is not a high school graduate, it was $21,332. A high school graduate, 27,351. Someone in a college, so 31,988. Someone with a bachelor's degree, 42,877. And someone with an advanced degree, 55,242. The question says, by what percent did the median annual earning of a high school graduate with no further education exceed those of someone who was not a high school graduate, right? So basically, how much did this value here, the second value 27,351, exceed the first value 21,332 in terms of percentage, right? Percentage difference between a high school graduate and not a high school graduate in terms of not a high school graduate, since it is asking us how much it exceeded this value. So let us term it as percentage increase, right? That is what they are asking here. So the formula for percentage increase for any value is final value minus initial value divided by initial value, and then the whole thing times 100. So this value that you get is now in percentage, right? So here the initial value will be 21,332, which is this value, the median annual earnings of someone who is not a high school graduate. And then since we need to find out how much the second value, that of a high school graduate, exceeds this one, therefore the value that exceeds is the final value, which is 27,351, which is the median annual earning of someone who is a high school graduate, right? So now plugging these values into this equation, we get percentage increase equals to 27,351 minus 21,332 divided by 21,332 times 100 as a percent, right? So this is 6,019 divided by 21,332 times 100%, which is equal to 28.2%, right? So the required percentage that they asked for, by what percent did the median annual earning of a high school graduate exceed those of someone who was not a high school graduate, is 28.2%.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।